Hello students, I'm telling you sixth chapter of Footprints Without Feet, and the name of the chapter is The Making of a Scientist. In my last video, I told you that Richard Albright was a great scientist. Since his childhood, he was collecting butterflies, and his mother also motivated her and encouraged her for learning. He was losing interest, but at the same time, his mother bought him a book and it opened the mind of science for him. Later, when he was in 7th grade, when he was in the 7th grade, he got hint of what real science is. How he got the hint? He entered a county science fair, but he did not win. As you know, he was a brilliant child. He could not bear this defeat and he was feeling very sad. And then he found that the students who had won, who did some real experiment. He did not just show off something, he did some real experiments. His entry was slides of frog tissues which he showed under a microscope, and he realized that winner had tried to do real experiment, not simply make a neat display. And he was a very competitive spirit, so he decided that what he had to do next. And next year's science fair, he did real experiment. The subject he knew very well was about the insect. He had been working since his childhood. As you know, he was collecting butterflies in the past several years. So he decided to do real experiments about butterflies, and he wrote to Dr. Urquhart for ideas, and he sent him a lots of suggestions for experiments. And for those experiments, Albright was busy throughout his high school and led to prize projects in county and international science fair. Okay, he entered not only in county fairs but international science fairs also. When he was in 8th grade, his project was he tried to find the cause of a viral disease that kills nearly all monarch caterpillars every few years. Okay, in his project of 8th class, he was trying to find out the cause of a viral disease that kills nearly all monarch caterpillars every few years. Albright thought the disease might be carried by beetle. Okay, he was thinking that the disease might be carried by the beetle. Beetle is also an insect. He tried raising caterpillars in the presence of beetles, but he did not get any real result. But he went ahead and showed that he had tried. And he did that experiment in the fair, and this time he won. And the next year, his science fair project was testing the theory that Baisaraj butterflies copy monarch butterflies. And the theory was that Baisaraj look like monarch because monarch don't taste good to birds. Okay, he wanted to show that Viceroy butterflies copy monarch butterflies. And they look uh, they look like monarch, the less likely they are to become a bird's dinner. Abright's project was to see whether in fact birds would eat monarch or not. Okay, he wanted to show the birds would eat monarch butterfly or not, and he found that a starling would not eat ordinary bird food. It would eat all monarch it could get. And later, his research by other people showed that Viceroy probably do copy the monarch. This project was placed first in zoology division and third overall in the county science fair. Means he was continuously trying to do experiments and he was getting prizes also, he was winning also, and above all he was getting more and more experience. Okay, in my next video I'll tell you the remaining part of chapter.